Okay, so right in front of me, I'm standing about where the front door is going to be. And over here is going to be the master bedroom. And then there's the master bath. And then here's going to be walk-in closet. I kind of got to draw it out here, but I don't know if you can see it. Then here's going to be the laundry room and the back door. This will be where the water heater goes. This will be where the furnace goes. Of course, this is the shower for the master bath and the toilet and the sink vanity. This will be the kitchen sink. This will be where our island goes. This is where the stove and refrigerator is going to go. Then this will all be big living room right here. Living room, kitchen open. Then right there is going to be French doors out the back. This will be the guest bathroom. This will be the second bedroom and a walk-in closet. And here's a linen closet. Here's going to be the third bedroom. And there's going to be the third bedroom little walk-in closet. And here's going to be Sonya's office. Of course, there's going to be a 10-foot wide front porch. And then a 14-foot wide back porch across the back. And here's where the water and sewer comes in and out of the house.